Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over Unit 2 assignment. Your data file, when you open it in Excel, will look something like this. So first let's sort gender. We'll highlight, we'll left click and hold it down and drag it down to the last one, and then we'll go up to data and sort. Pick the column here, and the data does not include headers, so we'll uncheck that box there and click OK. So we have female sorted and then male sorted. Okay, next we want to find out the range. So we'll type in smallest, largest. Excel will calculate this even without typing that in. That's just a note for the user to distinguish which is which. So we'll go up here to FX function, and we'll look for small or large, and here it's not. It's sorted now by most recently used. This is highlighted up here, so I don't see it in the list there, so we'll start out with smallest. Just type in small up here and go. And here's small. We'll click OK. We'll highlight all the numbers. Down to the last one. Left click, drag, hold it down, and go all the way down. And K is we want the smallest, so that will be 1. If we wanted second smallest, we type in 2. Click OK. And the smallest is 5. And we'll do the same for largest. Just type in large for now. And click OK. And we'll do the same thing. Left click, hold it down. Looks like it skipped a little bit there. One there, and OK. So our range, we'll move that over. I guess it's in the same cell. Let's see if we can get that over a little bit. Okay, so our range is 5 to 77. So we'll do a little math. Equals 77 minus 5. 72 is the difference. So that's an even number. So maybe we'll have, generally we want 3 to 5 groups or classes. So we'll divide the 72 divided by, we'll say 4. So we'll do equals 72 divided by 4. And our width is 18. So let's set up, the assignment calls for 3 tables, 1 for each gender. Ladies before gentlemen here. And we'll have a table for both. We'll put our classes over here. let's try, smallest is 5. Let's try 0 to 18, 19 to 37, 38 to 56, and for our fourth class, we could say 57 plus, so it may not have the exact same number as the other classes. So when we get these sorted, we'll know a little more. Let's first sort female, left click, hold it down, go to include all females there, and we'll sort again. We'll go to data at the top here and sort, and it's asking us a question. We just want the current selection. We are not, in other words, we're not sorting more than one column. We're not sorting 2, 3, or 4. We're just sorting one column. So do as you're told here, Excel, and we'll click sort, and it's column B, still no headers, and smallest to largest. Okay, we'll do the same with male here, as long as we're on a roll for sorting. Column B is still checked there, smallest to largest still checked. So 57. The largest is 77. So that's about 20, so just a little over 18. We could call this last one 57 to 77 if you want, either way. So females, how many females? 0 to 18. Well, 24 is more than 18, so there's just 2. So we'll type in 2 there. How many females were enrolled in college at the time of this survey? We'll say that's what the study's about. The directions don't specify, so we can use our imagination here for a number of weeks, what it's about. 19 to 37, so 24 is more than 19, 15 is not. So we'll start with 24 to 37. 1, 2, 3. And 38 to 56, so 39 is more than 38. We'll left click, hold it down, and we'll let Excel count it. 38 to 56 is 4. Go to the bottom, leave it highlighted, and go down to the bottom of Excel, and it gives a count here, count of 4. Type that in. And then 57 for females will be 68, starting at 68 to 7, and then 77. And there is 4 as well. And let's come over here and let's get another column here to the left. Right click, insert. We want an entire column. We don't need it that wide. We'll get that plus sign and drag it over. And we'll type in the word total just to double check our numbers here. I guess we could have put that right under the class column. And fx and sum is the function. Go. There it is. Get that out of the way. Left click. And it looks like 18. Familiar number, just set 18 or 13. 13. And we can verify the number of females. Left click. Excel is saying 13. Double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, males 0 to 18. 2. So just these two here. 29 is more than 18. 19 to 37. So just these two here are within the 19 to 37. 38 to 56 for males. 38. Start at 40 to 56. So we got 5 there. That's the most yet. 57 plus. Yeah, start there. 4 there. And we can left click here. And we'll get our plus sign, a thin plus sign. That's kind of a fat plus sign. We'll get thin there. Left click and drag it over. And there's our total there. We have 13 males as well. So we have 2 tables. We can count these as 3, this as 3 tables when we're done. Keep things simple. So both will go sum again. And we'll left click and go that way. And we'll click OK. And we can drag this down. And we can drag it down all the way. And it should add up 26 this way and 26 this way. And here's our 4 classes and 3 tables. Table for females, males, and both. And let's get rid of that 0. Okay. Thank you for tuning in.